When it comes to ski touring, Norway is an incredible place to explore. To ensure that you get the most out of your trip, you need to be well prepared for the challenges you may face. My name is Markus, I'm a mountain guide and avalanche expert, and I'm going to give you some advice concerning clothing and equipment to take along when on a ski trip. In Norway we use a woolen base layer, like this and this, because it keeps you warm even if it gets a bit wet or damp. I prefer a woolen sweater as a mid layer, and then the outer clothing has to be wind and waterproof. There is a lot of weather, and we Norwegians probably bring along a bit more equipment than you are used to from the Alps and other countries. So we always take along some extra clothing. My favorite is this big isolation jacket, which I can put on top of everything else without undressing. I bring 2 pairs of gloves. Always bring an extra hat. And I bring goggles. They are great when it's windy and snowy conditions. Depending on the time of year, I bring a head torch. I always bring a GPS and a map and a compass to find my way in the terrain. I also have an offline map on my cell phone, which has to be fully charged. I always bring food and hot drinks for the whole day. And then, as always, first aid kit and bivy bag. The bivy bag can really save your life and even make your lunch a bit more pleasant. You can go into it during lunch. As always, beacon, a probe, and a shovel. And depending on what kind of outing I'm on, I bring an ice axe and a set of crampons. If you want to go to a ridge top, reach a summit, and it's really hard snow, well, they might come handy. Also, when the snow is hard, ski crampons are really helpful. And finally, it's not a bad idea to bring a helmet. If you follow our advice, you'll have a safe and memorable trip in the Norwegian mountains. Have fun and enjoy.